How to fix Marvel Rivals high ping, network issues, and packet lost. So first, in your Epic Games, go to your library and find Marvel Rivals. Then click on Manage and then verify your files. Next thing you can do is in your installations, click on the Open File Location button. Then on top of that File Explorer, just copy that file location. You'll be needing that later. Now go to your Windows search and type Windows Defender Firewall. Then here on the side, click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. What you need to do is add Marvel Rivals in here. So go ahead and click Change Settings and find Marvel Rivals. If it's not there, click on Allow another app, then Browse. Then on top, just paste the file location you copied a while ago. Then go find Marvel Rivals Launcher.exe. Now make sure that all boxes are ticked. Then click OK and close the tab. Next thing you can do is on your Windows search, type View Network Connections. Right-click on Ethernet, then go to Properties. Then go ahead and find IPv4 and click on Properties. Then just follow what I'm doing right now. So in this box, you need to type 8888 and on the one below, just type 8844. Then click OK and close the tab. Next, on your Windows search again, type Network Reset. If all those steps doesn't work, then just reset your network adapters. So here, just click Reset Now and allow it to restart. That's all.